Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can split Excel cell diagonally and to put two different texts as you see here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. First I want to remove all borders. Right click, format cells, just select none. Okay, good. First I want to delete this text also. Good. Now let's add the border to all the cells. Right click and format cells. For example, this one and this one. Select the thickness, this type again. You can change its color if you want. I don't change the color. Okay. Now I provided the border just for this one. It's a different one. Select the cell, right click, format cells, select this type. You can change its color. For example, this color. Okay. Good. Now you have to write the name. This one here, this one name. Double click on it, then name, year. To add another line, just Alt and Enter. Now write name. Okay, let's see. Click here. It appears like this. Now just come to here. Select this one. Okay. Select this one. Now come to here and add space. Click here. That's the way to split a cell diagonally and insert texts. Have a nice time.